Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are doing well. Good evening to all of you. Hope everything is fine. So in this video, I will share with you job openings from Saudi Arabia. Hope many of candidates are waiting for the job. So this is a job openings from Saudi Arabia, and if you are looking for a job in Gulf country, then this is a best chance. Don't miss this. So before you start, I want to tell you this is a urgent job vacancies from Saudi Arabia, and this will be provide you the good salary with good accommodations and fooding. So my suggestions to you, please collect these informations, and if you are related to these professionals, you can apply as soon as possible to get a abroad job. So let's start. This is just openings for Indian cooker. So Indian cook required in Saudi Arabia. Job location will be Saudi Arabia, and position will be Indian cook. Candidates should have knowledge of Indian cuisine and prefer experience. Sorry for this. So experience in GCC, South and North Indian dishes. So guys, I would like to tell you, if you are exactly looking for a abroad job and if you are having a already experience in Gulf country, then this is also a good chance uh, to get a job as a Indian cook or chef. Contact details you can get. This is the contact number. This is the WhatsApp number. This is the official email ID. So first of all, what you need to do, you should know what is the job openings is. Job openings is for an Indian cooker. So if you have cooking experience and if you have the proper certification for this and if you have the golf experience, then it will be a good chance for you. Don't miss this chance. Apply as an Indian cooker. First of all, you need to prepare your CV and make it update and professional, and collect this email ID from the descriptions below this video and forward it the CV to the given official email ID. This is the registered at international consultancy in Mumbai, Gheewala. I can assure you that your process will be 100% secure and nobody will be cheat you about money and waste of time. So I can suggest you please forward this email ID to by your CV, and after you sending your CV, the company will start the shortlisting process. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you will get a notification to attend the interview by online or by offline in the office address. So before you apply, you should also contact for this number, and you can know more about the job openings so that it will be easy to get job informations. Basically it's a job for Indian cook and the job is in Saudi Arabia. If you are belongs to the same professional, you can apply as soon as possible by the official email ID. Next, multiple vacancies for Saudi Arabia. Greetings from a Gheewala Global HR Consultants. I already told you this is a registered international consultancy. You can visit to the office also in Mumbai. We have requirement for our prestigious client in Saudi Arabia. Online interview. So position: JEDDAH Municipality Infrastructures, Control System Engineer, Civil Engineer, Quality Surveyor, Lighting Engineer, Agricultural Engineer, Facility Engineer, Quality Control Engineer, HSE Engineer, Senior Contract Engineer, Scheduling Specialist, Estimation Engineer. Next, construction of author, project engineer, civil, electrical, mechanical, civil engineer, HSC specialist. These are all the positions are available recently. You can apply any of these jobs as per your professionals or qualifications and experience. Immediate departure for one of the largest leading clients based in Saudi Arabia. Employment visa, long-term job. If you are interested, please revert back immediately with your confirmation so that we can line of the online interview. If you have any questions, please contact the Mr. Mobin mobile number here. Send us the confirmation email. Also, we request you to please give us reference of your friends who are interested in relocating. Please forward their resume shortlisting to the given official email ID. So this is a good opportunity, guys. Don't miss this. If you want to move to Saudi Arabia with a job with a good salary, then you can apply as soon as possible by the official email ID. There are many positions Indian cooker and also belongs to the construction positions are available. So many construction job are available here. So you should apply for this job on time, and you can, if you want to visit to the office, you can contact to the person and you can visit to the office which is in Mumbai. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you right now. The all details I already show you in this video. Still, I already shared the all information in the descriptions below this video. Collect all these informations, read it carefully by yourselves, and if you are interested and if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per mentioned right here, you can apply as soon as possible, and you can visit to the office also. So don't waste your time. If you want to move Saudi Arabia with a job, then you can apply as soon as possible, and you can visit to the office on time, and you can attend the client interview online, so that your process will be start immediately. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you right now. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And my strongly suggestions to you, please share this information to the candidates having a dream to move Gulf country with job, and they have already experience and also fresher. Both can be applied for this job. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will try to provide you the information regarding your job. Up to that, stay with this channel. Best of luck. Goodbye.